to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make papaya facial mask. This facial mask will help to hydrate, moisturize and exfoliate your skin. Continue watching and find out how I make this wonderful facial mask. To make this facial mask, you will need papaya, which I've already washed. So I'll cut the papaya and peel the skin of the papaya because I'll be using the flesh of the papaya. Papaya. I'll be using a fork to mash the papaya. Feel free to blend it. The fork, I'll be mashing the papaya into a smooth puree. This enzyme that will help to exfoliate your skin. It also hydrates and moisturizes your skin. When I'm done mashing the papaya, I will be adding honey. Honey will help to moisturize the skin. Of rice powder, you can check out my video on how to do rice powder at home. This will also help to absorb oil in the skin. I'll be adding a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has a cooling effect. Adding all the ingredients, I will stir to mix properly. Papaya facial mask is so incredible that it will help to hydrate and exfoliate your skin. So when I'm done, I'll be applying this on a clean, washed face. Apply and leave on your face for about 20 minutes, then rinse. This is a well-balanced mask that will help to lighten any dark circle or spot in your face. It will help to exfoliate and hydrate your face. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.